Hi students, good morning. Today I am going to start poem called as 1.1 Time to Believe. Time to Believe. This is a poem. 1.1 A Time to Believe. Before going to start this poem, we have to think about warming. It means we have to take some more what you call extra knowledge regarding this time to believe. Look here, think what point one is there. Think, choose, and fill up the labels with the water sunrise symbols. It means why this sometimes what happens sunrise. It means sun is nothing but it is a reality. Okay, it is a reality. It is a big planet. I tell you. Okay, but sometimes in another way we consider the sun or sunrise or sun rays. Sunrise is different, sun rays different, and sun rays consider in different manner. Sometimes we symbolize it. Sometimes what we think really some people say, orthodox people say that sun is a god. Some people say in scientific manner sun it is a one planet. It means the thinking point or the thought of the people differs from each other. Okay, the thoughts of about the sun differ from people to people. Look here, jewelry, art, hope, birth, anger, new opportunities, good manners, inspiration, new achievements, happiness, misery, bright moments, new aims, money, new surprises, etc. These are different words here. These are the different words. If these words means differently, no doubt. But these words somewhat shoots to the sunrise. What do you mean by sunrise? Sunrise means what? Because of the earth rotation, what happens? We always get day and night. Suppose today this is the daytime. After some hours, there will be evening, there will be night. Again, next day, because of the rotation, again what happens? We see new sun. That is the sunrise. That's why that is the sunrise. Means what? The new beginning of the day. The new beginning of the day. The rebirth of the sun. We can say rebirth of the sun. Sunrise is just like a birth, and sunset just like a death. We can consider as it is, because it is our thinking capacity, it is our imagination. Like that only what happens, we can think, we can what you call think about the sun in different manner. Jewelry, how we can say sun as a jewelry? Jewelry means it is just like shines. Jewelry always shines. Gold, for example, gold always shines. Okay, gems also shines. It means what is this? You show like that sunrise early in the morning, the sunrise also shines. That's why it is a suitable word for the sun. Then art. If you think about art, how the artist what he does, he draws a beautiful picture regarding sunrise. Like that, you can use such a sunrise for art and what you call drawing, etc. Hope. What type of hope? We always, when we get up early in the morning, that time we hope that today is a new beginning. Today there will be one type of miracle. There will be any magic. There will be any magic will happen in your life. Like that we can hope. Like that there are so many words. Okay. Better to start this point. A time to believe. I will read them first. To believe is to know that every day is a new beginning. Is to trust that miracles happen and dreams really do come true. According to this poet B.J. Morvizar. B.J. Morvizar is a poet here. B.J. Morvizar. He has written this beautiful poem, A Time to Believe. Why we have to believe? Believe is very important. We have to believe. Our opinions should be positive, not a negative. If we possess a positive, what you call opinions, then ultimately what happens? Our dreams will fulfill. Then look at, to believe is to know that every day is a new beginning, is to trust that miracles happen and dreams really do come true. According to this poet, what he said, to believe is to know that every day is a new beginning. Every day, daily, every day will be new beginning. How? Because of the earth rotation, we can see that sunrise and sunset. It means we can see day and night. If we see day and night, if we see day and night, it means what? This is nothing but the what you call rebirth of the sun. Suppose tomorrow, today this is the daytime, in evening it will be the sun will set, again there will be night. After tomorrow, early in the morning, there will be new day. How? Because sunrise. It is called as a new day. Okay. Then like that only what happens? New day means what? Rebirth of the sun means what? We are new beginning. Our lifestyle will be changed. Our lifestyle will be starts with a new beginning. Okay. Then is it to trust that miracles happen? We have to trust ourselves that there will be miracle, there will be magic. Now that this is a new day means what? There will be magic. We have to hope like that. We have to dream like that. If you dreamed like that, then ultimately we see. Okay, then and dreams really do come true. If we think such things, if we what you call create such a positive thinking in our mind, really our dream will fulfill. Really our dream will become true. Suppose we think that yes, you will get a good opportunity, otherwise you will win in the match tomorrow. Suppose if you think like that, then what will happen? Sometimes because of the new birth of the new what you call a new day, what happens? You will dream like that you will win the match. Definitely you can win the match. Sometimes you can what you call your dream will be fulfilled because of the positive thinking. Then next stanza. To believe is to see angels dancing among the clouds, to know the wonder of a cloud sky and the wisdom of the man in the moon. Okay. To believe is to see angels dancing on the clouds. You can think, you can believe that, you can see that your imagination can think like that angels are dancing in the clouds. Angels are dancing in the clouds. What is this? This is one imagination. This is one imagination. To know the wonder of a dark sky and the wisdom of the man in the moon. That time you have to know. You should know that having the magical quality. What magical quality is there in the stars, etc. You can observe some magical qualities in the stars. Not only that, you can observe, you can think that what type of scientists work or what type of what you call inventions they do on the moon, etc. Next, third stanza, what is this? To believe is to know the value of a nurturing heart. Yes, nurturing heart. What do you mean by nurturing? Nurturing means what? Nurturing means to take care. To take care. The people, the person who takes care, okay, what do we have to do? We have to give them utmost respect. We have to give them respect. Why? They nurture us. They take care of us. We have to give them value. Okay? We have to respect them. To believe is to know the value of a nurturing heart. The innocence of a child's eye. The child, very small child. That child, you can observe that innocence. Okay, innocence in the child's eye. Okay, you can get it. If you study thoroughly, you can observe it. Properly. Your mind should be that time positive. Okay, there is a different time because it is depend upon your imagination. Sometimes some people say that hey, no need to give any respect, give to value to the nurturing people, etc. But it is wrong. I say it is wrong. Why? My thinking capacity is different. But the people who don't give respect, their thinking capacity may be different. Like that. Okay. Then here the innocence of a child's eye, the innocence of the child's eye. How can we understand the innocence of the child's eye? Yes, it is our imagination. It is our imagination. It is our emotions. It will be, we can understand because of our love and affections. What you call that? Innocence of the child, innocence of the eyes of the children can be understood because of the love and affection, because of the emotions, like that. I think you understood better. Better to what you call the one more line is there. I will complete that one and I will stop here. Okay. And the beauty of a aging hand, for it is through their teachings we learn to love. Yes. How can we understand what you call the children's innocence, and how can we can understand the what you call the love of the aging hands? Love of the aging hands means old people. Love of the old people because of their love, because of their love and affection, and we can understand because of the love and affection only. We can understand what you call the love and affection. We can understand of others because of love and affection, which create in our heart. Which create in our heart. It is left to we people. I think, I hope you understood something. Remaining part we can complete in next period. Better to take down one homework. Homework for you. Question. What should one know? The students write down what should one know.
You stay outside.
And trust every day. Second question. Yes. Name the two supernatural references in the stanza. Yes, name the two supernatural references in the stanza. Which may be supernatural means what? Powerful references which are given in the stanza. Then I told you about the stardust. Maybe it was okay. Like that, you read the poem and you can find out the answers. Thank you. Have a nice day.